In this video, we're going to be looking at an annual income problem. Shayna's family has an annual income of $192,000 and these monthly expenses: a mortgage of $1,600, car payments of $520, a grocery bill of $1,440, and utilities of $650. What percent of her family's annual income does the total amount of the monthly expenses represent? So essentially, we're trying to find the percent of her family's annual income does her expenses represent. So this is going to be expenses out of the whole. So we essentially just have to solve this equation. So her expenses, let's see, I'm going to add up her expenses for each month. And that's for 1 month, but because we were given her annual income, so we need to look at her annual expenses. So we are going to have to multiply that times 12 in order to get her annual expenses. And that is going to be the ratio to her annual income, which was $192,000. So now if we just punch this into the calculator, let's see, her monthly expenses total $2,710. Multiply that times 12, and we get $32,520. Then we can simply type that into our calculator. 32,520 divided by 192,000, and we get about 0.17, which would be 17%. So 17% of Shayna's family's annual income is spent on monthly expenses. That's not bad if you ask me.